When I talk to my caregiver them, or my healthcare worker them, who they are foreign, and I live day in, day out on a job where you just wish you can get out of. The living where you don't have no time for see your family, you don't have no time for travel, you have to work constantly, and the pay is just not enough. If you're a healthcare worker, you're working at the hospital or even one home agency, right? Where you have to stand up on your foot, the patient them deal with your way and you're just dying to get out of it. May I introduce you to this online business. This is a business where you can do from anywhere. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need for willing first for teach you and show you how to run this thing here. Remember tell you, I've been a caregiver for how much years since I come a foreign. I'm in this business for 2 years now, and I help me to live my life and my family. It take care of me full time. In the comfort of my own home, I can travel when I want, I do what I want, do anytime at all. I'm telling you, check out this online business. There's a lot of us in here who are really prospering from this business. Teachers, truck driver, carpenters, whatever it is that you do, and you just feel like you had enough of it, check out this online business. Me I tell you, I'm not gonna come here and talk something when I go so. Believe me, because I have been there and I know what it is like to feel like you're back against the wall and feel like you're stuck. You're stuck with a day in, day out, bills the same old. It's like one hole in your pocket. You can't even do nothing, right? Check out this online business. Reach out to me and we send you the information. All right? Take care of yourself.